Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to attach files in Google Docs. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your Google Doc, and now once you are here, just simply select the file at the top over here, and after that, just simply go ahead and go for the open over here. And now you can just simply go ahead and select upload over here. And now just simply drag the file over here. So just simply go to your Word document. So I have here Word document on my desktop. I'm going to click and drag it into the Google Doc. And now it will upload. And after it is uploaded, guys, it will redirect it into another tab. So this is the Google Doc. And now from here, you could just simply click on share at the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and select this one, restricted. And from here, select anyone with the link. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on the viewer over here, and you will have multiple options. So when you go for the viewer, you can only view the document. And when you go for the commenter, they will be able to do some comments on the Google Doc. And when you go for the editor, they should be able to edit on the Google Doc. So pretty much this will be depending on you. In my case, I'll just simply go ahead and select the viewer. And after that, just simply click on copy link. And now just simply go ahead and go to your Google Doc. And from here, let's say I will provide the link over here. So I'm going to go for link here. And after that, just simply select this one, the keyword that you provided, and you will have this button over here. And after that, just simply paste the link over here. And after that, just simply click on apply. And from here, guys, when people click on it, as you can see, they should be able to open this up, and they should be able to check it out. And you could also do a copy link over here, and when they paste it on the URL, as you can see, it will redirect them to the files that we did. I hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.